The brain's outer layer, the cerebral cortex, is covered with folds and grooves that expand its surface.
The brain's left side handles logic and language, while the right sparks creativity and emotion. The cerebrum is the largest part of the brain. Its folded surface, with ridges and grooves, increases area for billions of neurons. The frontal lobe is linked to decision-making, problem-solving, and aspects of personality. The parietal lobe processes touch, pressure, and helps us navigate spatial awareness. The temporal lobe helps us process sound, language, and store important memories. The occipital lobe, at the back of the brain, is the center for vision and visual interpretation. The cerebellum, beneath the brain's back, coordinates movement, balance, and fine motor control. The brainstem links the brain to the body, controlling vital functions like breathing, heartbeat, and reflexes. The brain's left and right hemispheres are split by a deep groove, but remain connected through the corpus callosum. The frontal lobe, at the brain's front, drives planning, decision-making, and complex thought. The parietal lobe processes touch and builds spatial awareness, helping us navigate the world. The temporal lobe handles hearing and memory, connecting sound to stored experiences. The occipital lobe is the brain's visual center, transforming light into the images we see. The cerebellum fine-tunes coordination and balance, guiding smooth and precise movements. The brainstem keeps us alive, regulating breathing, heartbeat, and vital reflexes. Through countless pathways, the brain sends signals that connect every part of the body. Our senses allow the brain to see, hear, and feel the world through a constant flow of signals. Deep within, the limbic system links memories with emotions, shaping how we feel and respond. The motor cortex sends signals through the spinal cord, controlling every movement of our body. Our senses send information to the brain, where different regions interpret vision, sound, touch, smell, and taste. In the hippocampus, neurons connect and strengthen, forming the networks that store our memories. Deep in the brain, the amygdala helps shape our emotions, from fear to joy. The cerebellum fine-tunes our movements, keeping every step and gesture balanced and precise. The brainstem controls our heartbeat, breathing, and reflexes, keeping us alive without conscious effort. Deep within, the limbic system shapes our emotions and memories, influencing how we feel and react. At the base lies the cerebellum, guiding balance and coordination, ensuring every movement is precise. The brainstem keeps us alive, controlling heartbeat, breathing, and vital reflexes. At the brain's core, the limbic system drives emotions, memories, and our instinctive reactions. The hippocampus, shaped like a seahorse, is vital for forming new memories and learning. The amygdala, small and almond-shaped, drives our strongest emotions, especially fear and survival responses. The thalamus works as the brain's relay station, channeling sensory signals to the cortex for interpretation. The hypothalamus is the brain's control center, regulating hunger, thirst, temperature, and hormones to keep balance. The hippocampus is vital for memory and learning, transforming experiences into lasting knowledge. The amygdala acts as the brain's emotional hub, shaping our reactions of fear, anger, or joy. The thalamus serves as the brain's relay station, directing sensory signals to the cortex for processing. The hypothalamus is the brain's master regulator, maintaining balance in temperature, hunger, thirst, and hormones. The pituitary gland, known as the master gland, releases hormones that regulate growth, metabolism, and other vital body functions. The cerebellum fine-tunes movements, ensuring balance and precision in every gesture we make. The medulla oblongata controls vital functions like heartbeat, breathing, and reflexes, keeping us alive automatically.
The spinal cord acts as a signal highway, transmitting messages between the brain and the rest of the body. The corpus callosum bridges the brain's hemispheres, allowing the left and right sides to communicate seamlessly.
The basal ganglia help coordinate voluntary movements, ensuring our motions are smooth and precise. The pineal gland regulates our sleep-wake cycle by producing melatonin, helping us maintain a natural circadian rhythm. The ventricles circulate cerebrospinal fluid, cushioning the brain and removing waste while maintaining a stable environment. The meninges are 3 protective layers that shield the brain, absorb shocks, and support cerebrospinal fluid circulation. The limbic system links emotion and memory, helping us form meaningful experiences that guide behavior.
The brainstem controls vital functions like heartbeat, breathing, and reflexes, keeping our body alive automatically.
The cerebral cortex processes sensory input, controls voluntary movement, and enables higher thought and perception. The frontal lobe guides decision-making, planning, and problem-solving, shaping our thoughts and actions.
The parietal lobe integrates sensory information from the body, helping us perceive touch, temperature, and pain. The temporal lobe processes sound and plays a key role in forming and storing memories. The occipital lobe processes visual information from the eyes, helping us perceive shapes, colors, and motion.
The amygdala processes emotions like fear and excitement, triggering rapid responses to keep us safe. The hippocampus forms and retrieves memories, allowing us to learn and recall experiences.
The thalamus acts as the brain's sensory relay station, directing signals from the senses to the appropriate cortical areas.
The hypothalamus maintains homeostasis, regulating temperature, heart rate, and hormone release to keep the body balanced.
The cerebellum fine-tunes movement, maintaining balance and coordination for precise physical actions.
The corpus callosum connects the brain's 2 hemispheres, allowing seamless communication and coordinated function.
If this video is useful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.